Okay, this is the temperature pressure relief valve drain line for the water heater. And that's the safety pin. And it's not supposed to discharge higher than 6 inches from the ground, and it does. And it's supposed to be between 3 and 6 inches. 4 and 6 inches, I believe. But 3 or 4, but not over 6 inches. Because when the water comes out of that, it comes out at 200 psi at about 200 degrees. This is the water heater video. Okay, that's our main water shutoff valve to the water heater right there. Now, because the electric load center is so close to the water heater, it's electric water heater, because it's so close, we do not need a an electric shutoff switch, and we do not need a lockout switch for the breaker either. Water heater. Now, see how the installation is on the water piping coming down to the water heater? We have a care and use manual, that's a good thing. Okay, we should have insulation on the temperature pressure relief valve. There should be insulation on this. And there should be an air vacuum break in the same room. A lot of times they just take it down to the safety pan. There should be an air vacuum break in the same room with the water heater. We do not have that. Okay, this is our data plate that tells us we got a 1-year-old 50-gallon water heater. That's the safety pan drain line. And we do have a safety pan. So what do we learn? We got a 1-year-old water heater. Of course, it's a new home. Okay. We learned that our TMP is not insulated, temperature pressure relief valve. We learned that we do not have a vacuum air break in the same room with the valve. And we learned that the valve drain line discharges too high from the ground.